Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the night stream. And boy, you know, I had to do it. I had to do it. I had to check out, see, okay, all the controversy going on. Does the Trumpmeister, does he have his own games? Well, of course he does. Of course the man has his own video games. Well, not, you know, ones that people made of him. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump on to Steam here and see. I picked like 3 different games that were up on the top of the list here. So we're going to check them out. We're going to check out the previews, you know, check out the reviews, and who knows, maybe you would like to purchase a game about Mr. Trump. I don't know. Do whatever you want with your money. If you like these videos, please, appreciate you if you like and subscribe down there, and please leave a comment. You guys are great. Comments are appreciated. But hey, you know, let's just go right into it, shall we? Here we go. First game. We got literally Trump Simulator. And we have 79 reviews, all for very positive. Release date October 27th, 2016. Developer Christine Barron. The Family Collective LLC. Game requires a VR headset. So let's check out. Let's check it out. What do we have going on here? 33-second trailer here. Look at his big hands. The huge hands. So it's like work. It's like Work Simulator. Oh, they put a steak in the shredder. What does it say? Put on a to-do list. Put on a hat. Build Trump Tower. Shred tax documents. Beat Twitter addiction. Circle photos of huge heads. Write a speech. 99 cents. This seems like a fun little one, right? Let's see what the reviews say. Overall, reviews very positive. 0.2 hours on record. Time for Biden Simulator VR, please. Oh my gosh. And this was in 2020. I mean, it's a $1 meme game that you can get just for the memes, so can't really go in expecting much. It's decent for some minutes of goofing around. Hey, for $1, yeah, why not? I've considered actually making. I've actually considered making a few meme games here and there. I have an idea of some stuff, but it's a topic for another discussion. So realistic, my Twitter account was suspended. 10 out of 10. Review huge. Trump Simulator VR is a VR-only game that puts you in the shoes of Trump preparing for a speech. You're given 5 minutes to prepare a multitude of things, such as the actual speech itself. You'll be able to do these tasks in any order you wish, and are given full reign to interact with everything in the small room. That's for $1. This seems pretty entertaining. Cheap thrills, right? Objects have physics to them, so you can throw them around in satisfying fashion. Sorry, though nearly everything in it has a purpose, so making a mess can make it harder if you have any intentions of winning. All right, rock and roll. So, all right, let's move on to the next game. We have Save Daddy Trump. Be a hero woman and save your captured Daddy Trump from evil creatures in this meme-style 3D platformer. Use magic. Beat enemy and collect enough money to save Daddy Trump and USA. Mostly positive. This was made in July 9th of 2019 by Taro Lunka. Let's look at the trailer here. This looks rough. Not gonna lie, this looks kind of rough. I mean, great character model. What this looks like is a game that, and I'm not bashing them. It's basically a game full of like pre-made assets or bought assets. You know, you make games like this to learn how to do things, learn how to code stuff like blueprints and whatnot in Unreal. And you can, if you know what you're doing, you could make something pretty cool with pre-made assets. You know, but these all sound like, I don't know. I don't know how much I enjoy this. I don't know if I can make it the full 58 seconds. Let's kind of scrub through this. Yeah, man. This is just like a bizarre looking type of wannabe 3D platformer with, you know, your generic assets and like the inconsistency. I think what they're trying to go Fortnite with this. I don't know. Style-ish. What did the reviews say? Let's see. 0.4 hours on record. I was once lost, much like Daddy. I needed to be saved. In finding Daddy, I found myself. I was too saved. Pretty good game. I did indeed save Daddy. Not even ironically enjoyable. I don't have to take my antidepressants anymore. Oop. Sorry, I bumped my head here. Tornado sirens are going off right now here in Chicago. Anyways, so let's check out. I don't know this. So far right now the first game's winning for me. The Trump Simulator VR seems like a good one. Let's do this last one here. Super POTUS. Trump, President of the United States. That's what POTUS means, by the way, if you don't know. Not to insult your intelligence, but a mini-game tribute to Donald J. Trump's amazing and successful run for the U.S. presidency. Hashtag MAGA. By Emerson Design. This was in August 8th of 2017. Looks like we're doing Paper Mario style here. Let's take a look. A mini game tribute. Kind of a hype trailer, if you ask me. I'm not gonna lie.
President of the United States.
Donald Trump will never be elected president of the United States.
I continue to believe Mr. Trump will not be president.
Wrong.
All right. It honestly looks pretty dang good. Looks actually really good. I do know about this. Game has mixed reviews, 455, and episode 1, The Road to the White House. So it's going to have negative reviews because it says free to play does not mean demo. So the developers of this game put this on here as a free to play. And it's basically the tutorial, I guess, that they're saying. And then you have to pay like $1 or $2 to be honest, it's $2. But people just didn't like that it was hiding behind this. Oh, it's free to play, but then you get button hooked for like $2. Still better than Sticker Star. Ooh, that's a jab at Mario, isn't it? I want my family back. I can't believe Mario was found guilty of 34 charges of vandalizing Isle Delfino. Oh man, I love Super Mario on GameCube. Gosh, that game was so good. That reminds me, I think I'm going to play it in a little bit. Couldn't edge to this. Let's look at this. Guy's got 33 hours in this game. In the ever-evolving landscape of video games, certain titles transcend mere entertainment and manage to leave a lasting impact on players' lives. One such game has significantly contributed to my personal growth and well-being is Super POTUS Trump. Oh, is this a troll post? Because you just leave the game running overnight, and it'll tell you 26 hours in review time, but you just leave the game running overnight. This could be a joke. This could be a fake review. This unique blend of gameplay, narrative, and strategic elements has made a profound difference in my life, providing not only an immersive gaming experience, but also valuable lessons and unexpected benefits. Yeah. Well, till today, I finally knew where my profile picture was from. That's fun. That's funny. Dude had his profile picture as this and didn't know where it came from initially. I mean, this looks like this looks like the best game. This looks like the best one. Like actually, you know, stylistic and somewhat entertaining. But I mean, that's what we got for some games. I mean, you can go online and see a whole bunch of different games. But I just figured, hey, let's check out what kind of games Donald Trump has. I do know that I think there is an official Donald Trump game where it's like a SimCities ripoff where you have to make more money than Donald Trump. That's an older game. I think that was released in the early 2000s. Yeah, hey, you know what? I hope you enjoyed this kind of like one-off video. So I'm trying to just mix it up, trying to do something new. Hopefully you found this entertaining. Would you pick up any of these games? I would pick up the VR one for $1. That just seems like fun. Like silly, goofy fun entertainment for 30 minutes or so. Well, it's 5 minutes. You have 5 minutes to make a speech and whatnot. So why not, right? Would you buy any of these games? How much do you like or dislike the man? Be nice in the comments, okay, guys? I appreciate you very, very much. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great one.